Hello and welcome to this second in a series of brief web demos to describe and discuss the features and benefits of ELO Digital Office. My name is Ron Clevenger. In this web demo, I'll briefly review the range of ELO Digital Office products, then we'll launch the web demo. ELO offers a range of products, services, and support for enterprise content management and business process management solutions. There are three members of the ELO product family. Each is targeted to a specific position in the spectrum of enterprise content management and business process management capability. Those are ELO Office, ELO Professional, and ELO Enterprise. I'll discuss each one separately. The first is ELO Office. ELO Office is targeted to the small office and/or to the individual. It is nevertheless a robust system that includes document management of up to 4 separate archives and up to 200,000 documents per archive. It is a Microsoft Windows client architecture with an integrated SQL database, and it supports up to 10 users and is network capable. ELO Office is powerful and very well suited to the requirements of the small office. The next product is ELO Professional. ELO Professional is targeted to the small and medium-sized business. ELO Professional includes the previously discussed features of ELO Office and more. It is a client-server architecture with a Windows-based server and your choice of Windows, Java, or web clients. An SQL database is also integrated. However, the customer can choose to use Oracle or DB2. It includes workflow to automate business processes. It supports up to 20 archives with up to 2 billion documents per archive, and it supports an unlimited number of users. Clearly, ELO Professional provides a robust enterprise content management capability. Thirdly is ELO Enterprise. ELO Enterprise is targeted to very large-scale enterprises. It includes the previously discussed features and capabilities of ELO Professional, plus it is platform independent, enabling you to choose Windows, Unix, or Linux platforms. It also includes an integrated SQL database and also supports Oracle or DB2 at your option. It is very highly scalable and supports an unlimited number of archives, an unlimited number of documents, and an unlimited number of users. Those are the ELO family of products. Now a very brief reminder about Galantis. Galantis is an authorized ELO business partner in the US and in Canada. We have office locations in the US and in Canada with a sizable development center in Minsk, Belarus. Our focus for the entirety of our existence of now nearly 15 years has been enterprise content management, and we have domain experience in a number of key mission-critical areas. And now on to the web demo. In this web demo, I will focus on the user interface in the ELO family of products. ELO employs the same user interface in all members of the ELO product family. I believe you will see in this demo that the user interface is both familiar and intuitive. In this web demo, I'll be utilizing ELO Professional. As I said in the introduction, ELO Professional is designed and intended for the small and medium-sized business. It is a client-server architecture with an integrated SQL database, or if the customer prefers, supporting Oracle and DB2. ELO Professional supports up to 20 archives, up to 2 billion documents per archive, and an unlimited number of users. Let's log into the Windows client. Login requires a user ID and password. ELO Professional and ELO Enterprise can integrate with your company user management, including Active Directory. On this login dialog, you can choose the archive to access. In this case, I will choose the Galantis demo archive. And now I'll log in. After the program has started, you can see the work area. I think you can see already that ELO looks and feels very much like a standard Windows program. The ELO button is positioned here in the upper left-hand corner. This opens the ELO menu. The ELO menu provides the means to administer and to configure ELO and provides the access to a number of system settings, including user management, which was the subject of our first web demo. Also includes other key system settings that will be discussed in later sessions. It provides access to a number of maintenance facilities, enabling the system administrator to manage and optimize the archive. It provides access to data exchange, which allows you to import and export data to and from the archive, and other administrative actions. To the right of the ELO button, you'll see the Quick Launch toolbar. The Quick Launch toolbar contains the most important commands for your work with ELO. The drop-down menu on the right side of the Quick Launch toolbar enables you to configure the items on the toolbar. As with all Windows applications, on the extreme right are 3 buttons. The dash minimizes the window. The middle button opens to maximum screen view. And the close icon closes the program. As with all Windows applications, you can drag to resize the window. Also, please note the Help button, which launches online help facility of ELO. Just below the Quick Launch toolbar are 5 tabs. The Start tab, the Document tab, the Archive tab, the View tab, and the Tasks tab. The Start tab contains common user functions. From here you can navigate, you can copy documents to the clipboard, copy documents to the archive, initiate the editing process of a document, and other features. Subsequent web demos will dig more deeply into these actions possible from the Start tab. The Document tab provides the most common and most important functions relating to a document. Here you can create new document versions, convert the document to other formats. You can save the document as a file on your computer or print it. You can create margin notes or add attachments, and other features as well. The Archive tab provides the most important functions concerning archive elements. Here you can link the document in the archive, add files to the archive, set access rights to documents and to folders within the archive, and configure and use the Outlook interface. The View tab provides functions for viewing documents in the archive. And here you can see a number of options for how the documents are displayed on the screen. Lastly, the Tasks tab contains functions that deal with workflows, with other tasks, with activities and dates. Here you can initiate a workflow, you can manage workflows, you can set reminders for other members of the team. This entire program window is called the main window. Below this ribbon are left tabs that interface with different ELO work areas. The Archive work area provides a view of the archive. On the left program area is the tree view of the archive, and on the right program area is the list view. You can right-click on any entry in the archive and that will enable various functions. Subsequent web demos will dig more deeply into these functions and these capabilities. The clipboard work area are where you can place any documents for temporary storage, perhaps while other actions may be taking place. The clipboard is kind of a collection area which helps you to organize your archive. Every ELO item, whether a document or an entire folder, can be copied to the clipboard and pasted to another location in the archive. And again, a right click on the item in the clipboard enables a number of functions that will be discussed more deeply later. Next is the mailbox work area. The mailbox is the entry point for documents to the archive. Each ELO user has his or her own mailbox. The mailbox serves as the collection and organization center of a user's documents. The mailbox is where incoming documents are placed for insertion into the archive or for the initialization of workflow. The next tab is the search work area. After all, the benefit of an electronic data management and archiving system is the direct and ready access it provides to the documents that are in the archive. ELO provides you with the numerous ways of searching. This is the area where searches can be initiated and made. Subsequent web demos will dig much more deeply into the full range of ELO search capability. Next is the tasks work area. An activity can be assigned to a document as well as to a folder. This provides a way to set dates and workflow instructions on individual documents. These can then be forwarded to colleagues or to oneself as a reminder to perform an action. These are called tasks, and they have their own work area here. Reminders and necessary actions are shown in this task work area. Next is the messages work area. In this area, you will receive notifications and information about various procedures having to do with reminders, workflow, and the mailbox. You can also send short text messages to other ELO users, which are then received and displayed in their respective messages area. Lastly is the in-use work area. This area offers an overview of all the documents currently in use by this user. It is a central organizational resource for all documents you want to edit and modify in ELO. This concludes this web demo that describes and discusses the ELO User Interface. I hope I've shown that the ELO User Interface is very familiar, very intuitive, and very easy to navigate. Thank you for attending this web demo. Please visit our website again for other demos dealing with other ELO document management topics. Thank you.